Benjamin Genera from the journal PNAS, that is Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the year March 26, 2020. Introduction. Tropical vegetation is shaped by climate and soil, but the distribution of the individual species, how it is distributed and how it responds to the natural resources, it is hindered in the diversity and the consequent rarity. Now the results are a quantitative assessment of the response of these 553 species to these 8 environmental factors. Now the strongest predictors over here affecting the tree species were found to be dry season intensity and soil phosphorus. The most appealing feature which was found in this tropical forest ecosystem was the high species diversity and the species distribution relative to rainfall to be predicted from the experimental drought sensitivities. Geology of the region provides a range of soil properties and the observations of this soil chemistry and dry intensity were combined. Materials and methods. Now, 3 occurrences. Over here what they did is they did a survey at this near the Panama Canal. They did a survey at 72 forested locations in this place called near the Panama Canal, and they carried out analysis, and the analysis was based on whether the tree species were present or they were absent. The climatic predictors over here was the dry season rainfall which affected this forest species. Over here was the dry season rainfall, and they also calculated the total annual rainfall and soil predictor, that is the soil samples were collected from these 72 forested locations. They were different samples, they were taken to the lab, analysis were carried out, their pH, their concentration, they were log transformed. Now this is a figure showing this Panama Canal, and the Atlantic Ocean to its north and the Pacific Ocean to its south. Now this is actually the estimated dry season moisture, which is color coded. Purple, green and blue are the wettest, and the yellow is during the driest. Now modeling was done of this tree distribution by using these 8 environmental predictors, so also of genera and families, and simulation of these tree communities using soil and the data of climate along with the 8 predictors. Now these are the 8 predictors, that is dry season moisture, resin, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, aluminium, iron, zinc and inorganic nitrogen. This is the statistics in this tabular column, wherein they show the species response to this environmental changes. Now results. Results show that the soil chemistry was extremely variable among these 72 sampling sites. That is over here. We can see the tree species response to this were different. They took many samples, then they calculated the mean here, that is shown the minimum and the maximum values, then the standard deviation. Over here you can see the strong effect, that is dry season moisture showed the highest, and the resin and inorganic nitrogen and zinc, they were almost zero, that is negative. Now these are the 4 species, that is Cabanossia, Platanifolia, Azuresia puteoli, then Manicara violeta and Inga vera. This basically what is shown in these graphs is that how the tree species responded environmental measures. These are all these curves are the response of this particular species to phosphorus and the moisture. Now this solid curve is response to phosphorus, and the red dotted line, that is response to phosphorus but during dry conditions, and the blue one is during the wet condition, and the black dots which you can see here they did well over there. The modeling prediction was very good, and then the red lines and blue lines which you can see on the x-axis, they are basically the blue color indicates that they were present over there, and the red ones, they were absent over there. Now over here in these two species you can see that there is no blue line. That means this particular species Zinga vera did not respond well to phosphorus in wet conditions, whereas it was opposite over here. It did not respond in dry conditions. Over here is basically the histograms where the same things are shown actually, how the species responded in each of this moisture, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, aluminium, iron, zinc and nitrogen. These are the points where the species were, the tree species, they were found, and the region which is marked in grey in color, that is, we are